Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video is the last video of the year, and I'm just going to rewind and show you a few pieces that I've done throughout the year, the transformations, the before and after. I hope you guys have a safe and happy new year. I thank everyone who has stuck around from the beginning of my channel, and also all of the new subscribers that have subscribed this year and since the beginning. I appreciate every one of you. But yes, this is just a few of the flips that I did throughout the year. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I didn't add a lot of them, but I did want to add a few of my favorites. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. For the new year, I would like to possibly post more. I am on TikTok, so if you'd like to go over there and follow me on there, I do post a little more frequently over there, just like, you know, daily stuff or what I see in stores, and then also like the shorts. Make sure you subscribe so you can see all the new shorts as well, because when I do share on TikTok, I do share it as a short. But yes, all of these pieces, I enjoyed refinishing them, and the outcome of them this year has been amazing, because I've been able to transform lots of pieces of furniture and actually expand like the quality, as well as trying new things that I have not done before. So it was really nice, and you know, it was very exciting to do all of the furniture flips that I have done throughout this entire year. But yes, let me know you know, if you have any plans for the new year, if you guys do New Year's resolutions or what have you, if you want to see different types of videos. I am going to try to incorporate like some more recipes on my channel, so let me know if that's something you guys want to see more of, or more furniture. Like I said, I'm going to try to upload more frequently. Right now I do once a week. I eventually want to get to 2 times a week, but yeah, so let me know if there is anything you guys would be interested in seeing, or you know. But yes, all of these pieces of furniture were very fun to make over, and I was very pleased and satisfied with the outcome of all of them. And I am grateful for friends and family that have trusted me with their pieces. Truly do. I had lots of fun. I also had repeat customers wanting pieces refinished, so I enjoyed that, and it was just a nice experience on doing custom pieces for everyone. This piece right here was I ended up refinishing the dresser and also a vanity. This one was different than the ones that I've previously done. I did a more farmhouse look. I scuffed up the edges, which I had never done prior to, but I loved the way it came out. So I ended up doing another piece as well with the scuffed look. This is the vanity. And this one was fun as well. I love doing older pieces because they have so much detail, character, all the little like swirls and designs and all that stuff. It's just really neat to see the work that was put into vintage pieces. So I enjoy refinishing old furniture. But yes, this was the vanity that was also a custom piece, part of the dresser. This vanity came out amazing. This is another custom piece that I worked on, and yeah, I enjoyed this one a lot. And this is also another custom piece. It was 2 end tables and a coffee table. I also did the farmhouse look where I scuffed along the edges. right, now I hope you enjoyed this video of each transformation. Have a great new year. Lots of blessings your way. And yeah, I will be posting more. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.